I wake up in the morning. I stretch my body and feel fresh. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I get dressed for the day. I put on my shoes. I take my shopping bag. I walk outside. I wait for the bus. I take the bus. I enter the supermarket. I take a shopping cart. I go to fruits. I pick apples. I choose bananas. I take tomatoes. I take potatoes. I go to the dairy section. I take milk. I go to checkout. I pay for groceries. I take my receipt. I pack my groceries. I go back home. My day is complete.